Oh. Oh. I see what the big deal is. I see what the big deal is. Yo, I got another one because it's that damn good. Yay. Alright everyone, that was Hoi An. Now I'm going to Hanoi. Follow along, subscribe because this is gonna be a doozy. I'm picking up my cousin. Boy, you wearing a Goku shirt? Yes, hey boy. You can see Bún chả is like the northern dish. It's like Hanoi's food was known for. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. There's another one right there too. Bún chả. All the way over there. Up here too. Another store over here. What's up everybody? This is your boy Phi from Phi-nex TV. Bringing it to you live from Hanoi, Vietnam, and I got a treat for you today. I am going to be eating at Bún chả, or in the north, Bun Cha Huong Lien. And this is where Obama and Anthony Bourdain ate. So, gotta take you inside and show you what the Obama special is. This place has 3 floors, or 2 floors. It's packed with people. Yes. Yep. And this is a picture of Anthony Bourdain and Obama. So you already know this place is already gonna be lit. Michelin star 2023. There's a lot of tourists here. There's only 1 floor. All right, Obama, you did us well. Can you come back though? Can you come back? I am dining at the Michelin star 2023. Bún chả Obama. Now, yes, this is exactly the same spot that Anthony Bourdain, rest in peace to him, and Obama has sat together and eaten in Hanoi, Vietnam. And how close am I to where they sat? Right there. Right here. So, as you can see, Obama and Anthony Bourdain has sat here. And if you've seen the series, him on Food Network, it's pretty nice. It's very wholesome. And it wasn't like a lot of tourists or a lot of like locals just come to like kind of crowd around in the restaurant. It was very respectful. So right now, I ordered the exact same thing that he ordered, the combo Obama, except for beer. I'm not gonna drink beer today, but I'm going to try my very first northern style Bún chả, which is only available in Hanoi. Well, not only available, but it's a northern style Bún chả. I'm from the south, so I'm used to the Bún chả, which is everything is assembled. So this usually all the herbs and the bún, which is vermicelli, is in the same bowl with spring rolls and any other meat toppings that you have on top. So this is completely different, so I have no idea what it tastes like. So let me explain to you and give you my thorough, in-depth review, taste test of what Bún chả is all about, and also how to eat it, because I actually don't know how to eat it. I'm just gonna do what Obama did, which is dip the noodles in, and that's it. So let me show you, and let's go. So everybody, I got it. I got the fresh herbs, mince, basil, lettuce, the purple leaf, and I got the famous Bún chả. This is the bún, this is the cha. So, Bún chả, that's what it means. So, vermicelli with meats, grilled pork, rice vermicelli, herbs, and a broth of fish sauce. So this is fish sauce, broth. I've never had this before, so definitely this is a sight to see. This bowl is actually pretty small, but it's only $2.50. So I ain't complaining. I just got the famous Bún chả Obama order. So first of all, the first thing that I noticed is this broth is warm. Bún chả in the south is not warm. It's like, you know, a little bit warm, but this is hot. So there's a little bit different here. So it's a small bowl of grilled pork and other meats, and the noodles is separate. Noodles is separate, and the herbs are separate. So let me just dive right in. Oh, it is fish sauce. Like, it's fish sauce, but it's not like the fish sauce that you dip in. It is, but it's barbecued. Like, it tastes like barbecue fish sauce because of the barbecue meats. Yeah, it's barbecuey. It's like charcoal barbecue meat inside of fish sauce. I know it looks exactly like what I'm describing, but it tastes exactly like that. So you put some of this, some herbs, vegetables in it right now. I'm pretty starving. I haven't eaten yet. So, and you put a little bit of lettuce in it, put a little bit of this, put a little bit of that. Now, how people eat this is they mix them on mix it up. I'm gonna eat it like how Obama ate it. Dip it in this. Oh. I see what the big deal is. It's nice. It's nice. Oh, it's nice. You know what it is? It's because of charcoal barbecue taste in Bún chả that, like, it gives the fish broth an unfishy taste. You know what I mean? The unfishy taste. So when you dip spring rolls or meat into fish sauce, you taste the fishiness from the concentrated focus of the fish sauce. But this one, the broth is barbecuey. The broth is barbecuey, and it's nice. It's nice. It's kind of almost like, I don't know how else to say it other than the broth is barbecuey. You know what I mean?
I feel like it's warm.
It's warm. It's good. You want another one?
No, I might try the seafood roll.
I might get another one. It's pretty good. It's pretty damn good. I'm surprised. I like this. I'm surprised. I mean, I'm a big fan of Bún chả anyways. And then there's a little bit of garlic on the side and a little bit of chili, You can put it in, make it a little extra hot for y'all. Okay.
Let's try the seafood.
It's pretty damn good, guys. It's pretty damn good. I'm surprised it's pretty good. Not in a bad way, like in a really good way. Okay. Yo, I got another one because it's that damn good. Yay. Another one, and this is basically kind of like a fat spring roll. Basically a fat seafood spring roll. The extra kick of this, honestly, with the peppers, it really makes it good. Barbecuey, spicy. Don't be afraid of the fish broth. It does not taste fishy. It does not taste concentrated like the fish sauce Nuoc Mam. Nuoc Mam is fish sauce in Vietnamese. It does not have the Nuoc Mam taste. It does not. Do not be afraid of that, guys. Do not. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna just do this. Honestly. Now, you can dip it, or you can just leave it in there. Leave it in there and treat it like a noodle soup. This, having vegetables in it, makes it so much better. This, honestly, I gave this a straight 10 out of 10. I like this. I left it a little bit out because I was preparing the shot like this. So I'm definitely saying the 10 out of 10. When it's fully warm and you get it, it's nice. The barbecue meat actually makes it very good. Tastes pretty nice in terms of that. And you put a little mix of vegetables in here. Yeah, it's nice. So definitely 10 out of 10. If you guys are in Hanoi, Vietnam, and want to try the Bún chả, I don't want to say it's not. I don't want to say it's not available in the South, Ho Chi Minh. I'm pretty sure it's available. But if you want to go to the same spot that Obama and Anthony Bourdain ate, go here. This has surprisingly been a very, very good meal. So make sure you stay tuned because I have a lot more to show you in Hanoi. And then we go back down to the south, Ho Chi Minh City, where I take you through the delicacies and the food tour of Vietnam. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Obama, you've done our people right. You've done our people right.